go. Start of our tubbing. This frame is pretty rough here. Goes like that. It's not actually the frame, it's more of the tin floorboard. But as you can see, we're taking out the back seat. Got the tires on for measure them, and out comes the back seat. Boys taking out the back seat, and there it goes. We've got her all cleaned out right here. We're going to take out the seat belt, all that, and then all this is coming out. We're cutting her all out. Alright, here we go. We got the frame out, or the trunk deck out. There's the frame. Not really in too bad of shape. Come on. Focus. There we go. Not really in too bad of shape. Cut it back there. We did get our gas line, but oh well, we're putting a fuel cell in it anyway. That's the frame. But of it, we're going to have to take this right here and just run straight back with the square duty. All this will come out right here. That's going to, the shot tower's what? Oh, well, that's the shock towers and that. That's going to be hooked up to the bar that goes in there. I can't think what they get, 4 link. But other than that, we're all good to go. Everything's pretty solid up there. Yeah, the frame has got a little bit here, but it's not all the way through. It's good surface rust, but it is holding some frickin' salt in. This is a Wisconsin car. But, we got a job ahead of us. We need to take that exhaust out and everything so we can work when we get that rear end going on. There it is, 8.8 rear end. We're going to shorten it. Oh, back to work. Now to cut the wheel tubs. Alright, we got the rear, the bumper off, everything like that. As you can see, we're pretty bad off right here, but we're going to take the frame, change it, and getting ready to pull the rear end out today and start on our frame. We're going to send the rear end to Trick Chassis to have it shortened. I've seen a lot of videos about it being shortened myself, but I'd rather have a professional do it. That way it gets right, and if it's wrong, I can blame somebody. So, this is our update on it. And we'll get her pulled out of there. Kind of rough shape back here, but we're going to put it all new. Rear end is out, boys. Now we got the drive shaft that is locked onto the rear end. We can't get it out, so we're going to figure out how to get the drive shaft off now. But there she is. Taken right out. No rear end. We got to get them upper A-arms off. Lower A-arms off. Yeah, clean all that up and we can start tubbing. Take all that out of there, send this rear end off to Trick Chassis so they can shorten it. And there's where we're at so far. Alright, we got the frame all cut out, tubs all cut out. Everything's all cut out now. We go through this side here, the car. We got left. That's terrible, don't it? Wants to make you cry. Yeah. Got them bottom fender things to fix. And the bumper deal, of course, we got to cut more off of the back of the body back there and frame in, but otherwise we're all good to go as we start. Welding the frame in. Got to level everything out. That's the next project we got going on is level the car out. I also got to get in there and can't get them bottom arms off, so I got to cut the bolts on them. torch and bust the nuts off of it and knock them through. But we're going to take here, we're going to put square tubing in there, run it that straight back, put a piece across back by the bumper here. That'll be our bracket to hook our bumper bracket on. Slowly but surely we're getting her done. Okay, here we are. The control arm is touching that little tab, not quite touching the control arm, but you can see it goes at an angle. So if we want it straight back, I think we'd be alright. We're almost under the wheel well. You can see there. And there's the bottom view of it. It gives you any idea. There. We'll have plenty of space. Today we made brackets. You have to, on these cars, you have to put the frame rails all the way to the bottom, so you gotta compensate. They're actually taller than 3 inches. Oh, we took and made these little things right here to make it so that it matched up. We line them up like that, weld them in. We'll have a slight rise to our trunk pan, but it'll look good when we're done. You notice we got everything level on both sides, so it's all good. Now we can start welding the frame in. There's the tires on it. Let's steer real quick. There's the tubs in it. Down here. Plenty of room behind the tires. Plenty of room. Do the other side here real quick. Trying to do this quick here. And I'll show you that roll cage. There's the roll cage. See now, I put them down there where they told me to, and the other guys are putting them up here on there. Alright, here we go. Got the trunk in. Get my fingers out of the way. Still gotta do these pieces over here yet. Look pretty good when we're all done. Done here, got our tubs in, got our back all in, got it painted up to protect it. We're modifying the original interior and putting it in. that. Cutting that out is quite the trick to do. Start out by laying your thing here, marking behind it, and then what you got to do is you got to shave it to take a contour with the tubs. And we had to take our top piece here, and we don't know if you see that or not, but we had to trim a little bit of that out, and it's got to come down more. We won't do no more trimming. What it'll do is it'll form it to it. And then we got some more to do here, so we'll show you the finished product when we're done. We got the roll cage in there. We still got the door bars to go in. The crossbar, some supports there yet. I always paint everything, whether I got to grind off to get the good weld and everything. I'll grind off, but it protects it from rusting, so try to paint everything up. Alright, here it is, guys. We got it all done here. We had to put the factory seats in it because our racing seats haven't showed up yet. The roll bar and all finished up, the carpet, everything. The back seat here, see if I can do this. Got the speakers in for it. Put that up on the ground. There we go. Got our boom box in it. 210s, 215s, 2 horns. Got to do a little cleaning after we got done. We go back here. Don't mind all the mess of the tools. We got the fuel cell in. We still got to get one more padding for the back of the trunk here. And the fuel filters and the fuel pump hooked up yet. Rear end is all in. Got all that done, shortened everything. Big wide tires on it. So my junk pile from the car. Sitting in there, the radio is ready to go in. But there she is. All tubbed, on the ground, ready to roll.